Hi everybody, today I'll show you how to add logo in Canva poster. So let's begin. Alright, to add the logo in the Canva poster, first of all, we need to find a good poster. So I'm going to simply search for the poster here and I'm going to simply pick any of the poster from here. Alright, so let's just go here with this one. Let's click on customize this template. So now what we actually need to do, we need to add the logo to our poster. So there are the few ways to do that. So the first one is that you're gonna obviously you're gonna upload your logo into the uploads. So let's say that I have uploaded this Canva logo just for the example. So I'm gonna simply drag this and put here. So here you can see there the one issue is that when I'm dragging the logo onto the picture, it is actually replacing the picture. Okay, and that's not what we want to have. So what we need to do here we're going to simply undo this. I'm going to simply create the duplicate of this picture and I'm going to decrease the size of this, something like this. I'm going to put it here. And then what I need to do, I'm going to simply drag the image. Then I'm going to put it here. And obviously I'm going to increase the size of this a bit. Let's click on done. Perfect. So this is how we can add the logo to our poster. So this is the one way of doing it. And we also have the second way, which is pretty simple. You can simply go into the frames. You're going to simply jump into the elements. You will search for the frames. And if you want to add the square frame, you can simply add the square frame. And if you want to add the circle frame, we can simply add that. So I'm going to simply add that here. And then in this frame, I'm going to simply add my logo. So I'm going to go back to the uploads and we can simply put this here. So we can also do this in that way as well. And there is one more method to add the logo, which is pretty simple. So now let's duplicate this post. Okay, and I want to add, let's just delete this. And I want to add the logo on this poster. So this is the third way of doing that you're gonna simply copy the logo from somewhere else. So you're gonna simply copy the logo and then you're gonna simply put this on the new poster or the poster on which you're working. So I'm gonna simply do the right click on the best, and now you'll be able to see the logo here. So this is how we can add the logo to the poster in Canva. So if you really find this video useful, hit the like button and subscribe the channel.